The U.S. State Department has approved a possible foreign military sale, FMS, of M1A1 Abrams main battle tanks, MBT, to Kuwait, the Defense Security Cooperation Agency, DSCA, announced. The estimated cost of the possible sale is $29 million. Kuwait has requested a possible sale of 218 M1A1 Abrams tank hulls with 120 mm cannons and 218 AGT-1500 M1 tank series engines in support of its M1A2 tank recapitalization. The M1A1 tank hulls will come from the U.S. inventory. Also included in the proposed sale are transportation and other logistics support. This proposed sale will contribute to the foreign policy and national security of the United States by helping to improve the security of a friendly country. Kuwait plays a large role in U.S. efforts to advance stability in the Middle East, providing basing, access, and transit for U.S. forces in the region. This potential sale is associated with Congressional Notification 16-66, which was notified to Congress on December 12, 2016. Regarding recapitalization of 218 Kuwait M1A2 tanks. Subsequent to the notification, Kuwait requested 218 M1A1 tank hulls from U.S. inventory be provided and upgraded vice using Kuwait's current fleet of tanks due to its interest in maintaining operational readiness. M1 Abrams is an American well-armed and heavily armored third-generation main battle tank, MBT, named after General Creighton Abrams. M1 is highly mobile and are designed for modern armored ground warfare. Notable features of the tank include the use of a powerful multi-fuel turbine engine, the adoption of sophisticated composite armor, and separate weighing nearly 62 metric tons, it is one of the heaviest main battle tanks in service. The M1 Abrams entered U.S. service in 1980, ultimately replacing the M60 tank. The M1 remains the principal MBT of the United States Army and Marine Corps, and the armies of Egypt, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Australia and Iraq. Three main versions of the M1 Abrams have been deployed, the M1, M1A1, and M1A2, incorporating improved armament, protection, and electronics. The M1A2 SEPv3 configuration features technological advancements in communications, reliability, sustainment and fuel efficiency, plus upgraded armor. The delivery order is part of an Army requirements contract signed in December 2017 through which the Army can upgrade up to 435 M1A1 Abrams tanks to the M1A2 SEPv3 configuration. We're proud to help the Army provide world-class combat capability to Armored Brigade combat teams, says Don Coachman, Vice President and General Manager of General Dynamics Land Systems U.S. Market. This delivery order, along with our previous orders, means our production line will be rolling at a steady rate through 2021. Work on this delivery order will be performed at Land Systems locations in Scranton, Pennsylvania, and Tallahassee, Florida, and at the Joint Systems Manufacturing Center in Lima, Ohio, the only operational tank plant in the country. Land Systems is a business unit of General Dynamics, New York Stock Exchange, GD. General Dynamics Land Systems provides innovative design, engineering, technology, production and full life cycle support for land combat vehicles around the globe. The company's extensive experience, customer-first focus and seasoned supply chain network provide unmatched capabilities to the U.S. military and its allies. The U.S. Army has signed a delivery order for General Dynamics Land Systems, GDLS, to upgrade 100 more M1A1 Abrams main battle tanks to the state-of-the-art M1A2 System Enhancement Package version 3, M1A2 SEPv3, configuration. The delivery order is part of an Army requirements contract signed in December 2017 through which the Army can upgrade up to 435 M1A1 Abrams tanks to the M1A2 SEPv3 configuration. The M1A2 SEPv3 configuration features technological advancements in communications, reliability, sustainment and fuel efficiency, plus upgraded armor. Work on this delivery order will be performed at Land Systems locations in Scranton, Pennsylvania, and Tallahassee, Florida, and at the Joint Systems Manufacturing Center in Lima, Ohio, the only operational tank plant in the country. M1 Abrams is an American third-generation main battle tank which is highly mobile, well-armed and heavily armored. Notable features include a powerful AGT 1500 multi-fuel turbine engine, sophisticated composite armor, and separate ammunition storage in a blowout compartment for crew safety. Weighing nearly 68 short tons, almost 62 metric tons, it is one of the heaviest main battle tanks in service. The M1 Abrams entered U.S. service in 1980, ultimately replacing the M60 tank. The M1 is the main battle tank of the U.S. Army and Marine Corps, and is also used by the armies of Egypt, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Australia. Versions of the M1 Abrams have been deployed, the M1, M1A1, and M1A2, incorporating improved armament, protection, and electronics. These improvements and other upgrades to in-service tanks have allowed this long-serving vehicle to remain in frontline service. Extensive improvements have been implemented to the latest M1A2 SEPv3 version. The SEPv3 will replace the M1A2 SEPv2 which has been in production since 2005. Production for the M1A2 SEPv3 is being conducted at Joint Systems Manufacturing Center, JSMC, in Lima, Ohio and at the Anniston Army Depot in Anniston, Alabama. The first of 6 M1A2 SEPv3 initial production vehicles was accepted by the U.S. Army on October 4 last